Welcome to dear teacher Ravi Tuitions, Learn Maths with Ravi sir. So today our topic is circles and doing MCQ questions. So without wasting lot of time, let us go and discuss the first problem. Right? Good morning. So the length of the tangent drawn from a point. Now in the circle very few concepts are there. Let me give you those concepts. Right. So there will be a circle. Tangent can be drawn at this is a tangent. Tangent will meet the circle at only one point. So you should know a tangent. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. This is one more concept. Radius is always perpendicular, right? From an external point, you can draw two tangents. So this is an external point. PA and PB are two tangents. These two tangents are equal. The tangents which were drawn from an external point are equal. So PA is one tangent, PB is one tangent. So these two are equal. That's it. Okay. So rest of the concepts are 9th class concepts. What happened? Your hand got fractured? Did you fell down? Shobita? Examinations time now, you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful when you are driving. You are not driving now? Very good. Examination time low, you have to take care of your health. If your health get disturbed, unnecessarily 2-3 days revision time will be missed out. So these are the concepts. That's it. So first one is radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Second one is tangents from external point are equal. These two are the main points. So now let us see this question. The length of the tangent drawn from a point. So this is the circle and tangent is drawn from a point. This is the point P. A tangent is drawn, like this is the tangent and this is the center and this is 17 and the radius is 8. So radius is 8, this is radius and this is the length of the tangent. So PA is the length of the tangent. So what he asked, we have to find out the length of the tangent. That means this is not 17, this is not 17, this is 17 and you have to find out this PA. So this is a very important question. Hey, this is not 11th, this is exactly 10th class. If you are in Shobita, there is no need, you are already joined in my app. I have contacted you, I called you, you are not there. So you are already entered into the app. You have to say whether 5 rupees or 1 rupee is there. You can do it through phone pay. So you will get some course. You contact me, give me a message after this class, so then I will guide you. Okay. So now here radius is perpendicular. That is the first concept. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent and this is a OAP is a right triangle. This is a very common. What is the PA? We have to find out PA. PA is equal to square root of OP square minus OA square. Pythagoras theorem you have to use. Pythagoras theorem, 17 square minus 18 square. So 17 square minus 8 square, which is equal to 289 minus 64, which is equal to 225, is equal to 15. 15 is the correct answer. Okay. Ayush Vyas, all the best. You are having a maths exam pre-board. Wish you good luck. Last moment, you have to keep your mind calm, quiet. Don't talk too much. Don't do difficult problems in the last moment. Don't do the difficult problems which you do not know. Don't do at present. Which you know, revise it. So many students, what they will do before the examination, they will try to do the unknown, unsolved questions. So that will cause a problem. That means you will not focus on the revision. So you completely revise which you have already revised, so that thoroughness will come, promptness will come, accuracy will come, and those topics will be remembered once you read before the examination, 1 hour, 2 hours. If you read, those concepts will be remembered till 1 or 2 hours, so that you can easily recollect whatever you have revised. So before examinations, always try to revise which you have already revised, formulas, etc., etc., important facts, right? This is a common problem. मुझे डर लग रहा है. Everybody will be having most of the students are afraid of maths. Okay, so don't be afraid of maths, because why should we be afraid? Whatever is going on, you have to face it, right? So because this is only pre-board, attempt the pre-board very courageously, then you will come to know the drawbacks. So how much efforts you have to put, you will come to know, then you can put it. More 3 months is there, December, January, February, 3 months is there. To do only 10th class maths, 1 month is enough. In 1 month, you can complete thoroughly the maths. Such a simple syllabus you are having. So you don't need to be worried. Science also, science pre-board also, same advice I will give you. Don't panic. Cool. Always, you should always be cool. Don't talk to your friends before the examination, right? Don't talk to your friends. Don't talk to your family members also. Keep yourself always silent, calm, so that what happened, energies will come together, so that you can face the examinations very happily. Because if you talk to your friends, they will disturb your mind. ये पढ़ा क्या, ये पढ़ा क्या, ये आता है क्या, ये मुझे नहीं आता है. Like this, they will give you, they will confuse you, right? Otherwise, you did not read this. This is very important. Come on, abhi read karo. Like this, they will give you a confusion. So don't talk to friends. Don't talk to parents. Keep yourself always focused, calm, quiet, and attempt the examination seriously. So anybody can pass. There is no question of fail. If you plan wisely, whether it is science or maths, it's not at all a difficult task to get 50 marks. Right? By revising around 30 to 40 questions, you will definitely get 50%. This is a challenge, open challenge, online challenge. So getting 50 marks is easy, and getting 33 marks is more easy. Out of 33 marks, already your teachers must have kept 11 marks, internal assessments. So 11 marks plus 33 minus 11, 20, 24 and 27 marks. 27 marks easy, 25 marks aram se you will be getting it. Okay. Ayush, I am from Andhra Pradesh, but I worked more time in Maharashtra. Right, I worked, this is my 43rd year of experience in handling class. So I belongs to Andhra Pradesh, I am a Telugu person, right, but I worked more in Maharashtra. Anyhow, this conversation I will talk to you after this class. I have only 10-15 bits in this. I will finish off those bits and then I will talk to you. Okay. So now let us go to another question. Two tangents BCBD are drawn to a circle with center O, CBD 120. Okay. So here this is 120 degrees. Okay. Then you have to find out OB. That means OB you have to find out in terms of BC. So that means let us understand. Is 120 degrees, this is 90 degrees, and this will get bisected 60 degrees, and this is also 60 degrees, and this is 30 degrees. Right. Now this is a right angle triangle. That means OCB is a right angle triangle. Now we have to find out the relation between these two things. OB, and all answers are BC. All answers are there in the BC. So then what happened? You take this angle, and this will be opposite side, and this will be hypotenuse. So now put sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees. Let me change the color. So then sine 30 degrees is equal to, opposite side is BC, and hypotenuse is OB. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. BC is BC only, and OB is OB only. So cross multiply it. So then OB is equal to 2BC. So this is the answer. So now here you have to apply trigonometry. Whenever this angle is 120 degrees, you have to apply trigonometry. Trigonometry means, say this is 90 degrees, this is 30 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. Let me write here, this is B, okay, and this is C, and this is O. Okay, now we want a relation between this opposite side and hypotenuse. So you have to be thorough with this type of question. I am expecting 99%, very, very important question. Okay, please likh lena, practice kar lena. This type of question is there even in the textbook also. So let us go to the another question. The length of the tangent from an external point to a circle of radius is 4. Length of tangent is given. You have to read till here. Say, you have to read the length of the tangent from an external point to a circle of radius is 4. Tangent is 4. Very, very important. So draw a circle. Radius is 3 centimeters, and tangent is 4 centimeters, and the distance of A from the center is how much? So this distance is how much? How much is the distance? Very simple. Previous question is there, na? This is a 90 degrees right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is asked. So OP square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, 16 plus 9, 25. So OP is equal to square root of 25, 5. 5 is the answer. Okay. So Yeah. So here, shall I will change it to white color. Now the length of the tangent from an external point A, actually this is A is given, A, let us say this is B. So now you have to find out this. Point A from the center is how much? So let us go to another question. See, the chord of a circle 10 centimeters, right? The chord is 10 centimeter. So this radius is 10 centimeter. This is also, I have to change the color here. This is 10 centimeter. Therefore, this is 90 degrees. And what is the length of the chord? This is how much? Okay, let me take red color. So this is 10 centimeter and we have to find out ABC. So now, very simple, apply Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. This is Pythagoras theorem. I am writing only to get the information. You can do directly also. 10 square 100, 10 square 100, 100 100, 200. So AB square is equal to 200. You can write directly also. So 200. AB is equal to square root of 200. So 100 into 2, 100 root is 10. 10 root 2 is the answer. 10 root 2 is the answer. Okay. So this is also an important question. 50% important question. So you don't need to be worried. Let us go to next question. Now in this concentric circles idea is given. Okay. So these are the concentric circles means if you are having two circles, this is the center for smaller circle and also bigger circle. These are the concentric circles. So now the radius is 5 and 3. The bigger radius is 5, smaller radius is 3. From an external point P, PA, PB are drawn. So one tangent is to the bigger circle, one tangent is drawn to the smaller circle. Okay. So now how much the PA is equal to 12. PA is equal to 12. That means this is a 12. Right. And you have to find out PB. So now two steps are there. So this is a right angle triangle. First you go to this right angle triangle, find out OP. This you have to find out first and use this in this, you will be getting the answer. Okay. So now how you will be getting? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse OP is the hypotenuse. So OP is equal to square root of 144 plus 25, 169, which is equal to 13. OP is equal to 13. Again you have to find out BP, right? So BP, what is BP? You have to be very careful. This is 90 degrees. OP is hypotenuse, BP is one of the side. So now you have to apply Pythagoras theorem again, because we know OP is 13, 13 and 3. So BP is equal to square root of 13 square minus 3 square. So 169 minus 9. So 160. 160 means you can write because it is in the mixed number. So 160 you do like this, 4, 40, 4, 10. So square root of 4 into 4 into 10. So 4 root 10 is the answer. So last one is the answer. You have to be very careful. 2 steps. This question you may be getting as a 2 marks question also or 3 marks question also. So this is the answer. మళ్ళీ దాంట్లో చూసుకుంటావా, రాసేసుకో, ఇది రాసేసుకుని డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేసేసుకో, రైట్. సో నౌ లెట్ us go to another question. So again here it is given, this is one more important question. Let me use another color, red color, so that it will be visible in the white. Now our target is O is the center, PA, PB are the tangents, PA, PB are the tangents, this is a tangent, this is a tangent. The value of OQB is how much? That angle we have to find out. So now, because this is 90 degrees, radius is perpendicular to tangent, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and these two are also equal to total 180 degrees. So if this is 80 degrees and this will be 100 degrees, sum of these two angles are always 180. Angle P and angle O are supplementary because other two angles 180. Total angle is 360. If APBO is a quadrilateral, total angle is 360. Already two angles 90 and 90, 180. The remaining two angles P and O should be supplementary. So if this is 80 degrees and this is 100. Now last year theorem. This is central angle and this is circle angle. So the relation between these two is half. So this angle is equal to 50 degrees. If this is 100, this is 50. If this is 80, this is 40. So 50 degrees is the answer. So two concepts we have got. One is last year concept. The central angle is, I will draw and I will show you here. This is a circle. Okay, now we call this as a central angle. And this is a circle angle. So the relation between these two, if this is x and this will be 2x, 1:2. This is smaller, circle angle is smaller, and this is double. So this concept we have to use there in this. So 9th class concepts are also needed. So don't neglect 9th class. So let us go to one more question. Two cards PQRS intersect T at outside. Let us see. This is one card and this is another card. These two are meeting at T. Two cards PQ and RS are meeting outside the circle at T. So PQ is how much? 5, QT is 3 and TR is 2 and length of RS is, we have to find out, that is x. This is x. Now I will give you direct formula. When two cards are intersecting outside the circle, the product of the parts is equal to same. So that means TQ into TP, TQ into TP is equal to TS into TR. You can take directly. This T may be inside also. Sometimes these two are getting inside. At that time also the same answer. Okay. X into y, x into y is equal to A into B, right? So very important, but this is not there in your syllabus, not there in the syllabus. So I am not expecting this question, but as a, so TQ is 3, TP from here to here, how much? From here to here, 8 is equal to TS from here to here, x plus 2, TR 2. So this 2 will go this side. So 3 into 8 divided by 2, 4 is equal to x plus 2. So 12 is equal to x plus 2 and x is equal to 12 minus 2, 10. So RS is equal to 10. Okay. So I can't say whether this is out of syllabus or not, but because this is related to the similar triangles and the tangents. So this question you may be getting like a hot also, higher order thinking questions. Okay, the same question can be given as a 4 marks question. Ask prove TQ is equal to TP is equal TQ into TP is equal to TS into TR. This may be asked to prove. Okay, this question concept is removed. This is a concept question, an extra question is removed from circles, right? So now let us go to another question. So now question starts repeating. Question starts repeating. The same questions will come again and again. So now, from an external point Q, the length of the tangent to the circle is 5. So draw a circle. This is an external point, and this is a tangent. Okay, is 5. This is 5. From an external point Q, the length of the tangent to the circle is 5. The distance of Q from the center is 8. So this is the center O and this is 8. And find the radius. Radius is equal to how much? Pythagoras theorem. Okay, because this angle OAQ is always a right triangle, you can apply directly Pythagoras theorem, right? Hypotenuse, remember that this is hypotenuse, 90 degrees opposite side is always hypotenuse. 64 minus 25. 64 minus 25. Okay. Then how much? 14 minus 5, 9. 5 minus 2, 39. Right? So now under root. So this is square root of 39. So the error of 39 is the answer. So now I'll stop. I will put some questions on the okay. This is for you. You can give me the answers. This is exclusively for the audience. Exclusively for the audience. RK Studio Point, I don't know. TS शॉर्ट्स पूरा रात भर नहीं करना है. Don't do the whole night the maths. Hardik, C is the answer. Huh? Hardik, I am just looking at your comments. The maximum number of common tangents that drawn to the intersecting at 2, maximum number of common tangents that can be drawn, 2 circles intersecting at 2 distinct points. So let me just give you 2 circles are intersecting at 2 distinct points. This is okay, these 2. So how many common tangents we can draw? This is one common tangent and this is one more common tangent. That's it, only 2. So 2 is the correct answer. Hardik, you are right. Okay. One more question for you exclusively. RK study point, I don't know. You said would you know me? I don't know. If you give the name, then I will try, because I have so many students in Maharashtra and also Khammam. So, because your names are typical, all YouTube channel names are there. Shreyas Pandey, hello, good morning. Hardik Joshi, you are very active, very active. You gave a B answer. It is not correct answer. You check it out. It is C. C is the answer. It is not correct. C is correct answer. Find out your answer, Mr. Hardik Joshi. You draw the figure and put the values, then you will be getting the okay. Answer is 11. 11 is the answer. Okay, please, all of you can do by yourself. How many tangents can a circle have? This is an easy question. How many tangents can a circle have? How many tangents can a circle have? I am waiting. How many tangents that a circle is having? Very good. Amit gamer, which is one more gamer. Amit, you are right. Infinity. Many tangents you can draw. You can draw many good. Infinite number of tangents you can draw for one circle. One more question. Yes, I understood, Amit. Amit Gamers 60. Your 60 game people are there. Very interesting names that your YouTube channel will have. Let me here. The length of tangents drawn from a point P whose distance from the center of the circle is 25 centimeters, radius is 7. This is we have just now done. We have did it. In this class only we have done it. 625 minus 7 minus 49, 576. So answer must be क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं है, it's clear only. This question, the length of the tangent drawn from a point P whose distance from the center is 25. So you draw a circle diagram and then you will get it. It's simple. We have just now we have done it. Okay. So how much is the answer? So Amit looking very active. It's Amit, you are, I think you are mistaken. Please check your answer, Amit. If you need, I can tell you because this is an important question. Important question. So, draw the diagram, then you will come to know. P is a point outside. Okay. So, the distance between P and O is 25 and the radius is say this is the tangent and this is the radius is 7. So, now you have to find out the length of the tangent, that means this one. Okay. So, this is hypotenuse 625 minus 49, 576, square root of 576, 24. 24 is the correct answer. Please check, Amit. So, like this so many questions will come. I told you in the description there is a link. You click the link. I have given all the 13 chapters MCQ tests together, one after the other. So, you can always have a practice. Okay. So, in each question, in each test there will be around 20 questions. Yeah. Okay, Amit, now you are right. So, 20 to 30 questions will be there. You answer it. I have given the time also. So, in a small time frame, you should be able to do MCQ questions, right? So many students will take more time. They'll spend more time on doing these 20 MCQs. Your paper consists of 20 MCQs. If you spend more time, you will not have time to do all the non MCQ questions. Okay. So, that is why MCQ questions, it will deviate you from the subjective questions. So you need to have a practice. You should do the questions with fastness. Speed is very important. Speed and accuracy is very important. Okay, like this so many questions will come, and I'll stop my streaming at this point. So those who are watching without subscribing my channel, please subscribe, and if you like my teaching, please like, share my videos with your friends. And tomorrow I am going to teach coordinate geometry. Circles is over. Actually, after triangles, coordinate geometry was there. So I am going to teach coordinate geometry tomorrow. Okay, so wish you good luck. Still I'll sit for some time in front of my stream, and those who want to have, okay, I'm reading your Win Brothers. Can you give your name, Win Brothers? Amit Gamers, please give your names. Amit Gamers, right? So let us meet, and still if you are having any doubt regarding anything, I will close these MCQs. Okay, Shivansh, Phonics Gaming, you are also coming under gaming. And Negi, are you from UP? मेरा नाम है शिवांश. Nagi, this Phonics Gaming. Yeah, please tell, sir, Mr. Nagi, you give me your doubt. If you are having any question to be explained, I will explain. You give me the question number, page number, exercise number, NCERT book. Okay, Nagi, I think Uttarakhand now is very chilling. Snow is there. Yeah, Amit Gamer. So let me pack up my stream. 104. Very good. Ottoman 69. Yes, I know. One time we came there in the same month with my children. We went to Kulu Manali. Answer D is right answer. So let me pack up at this stage. Wish you all the best. Take care. I don't remember the trigonometric identities. Yeah, I can. मैं हिंदी बात कर सकता हूँ, अच्छा सा बात कर सकता हूँ, हिंदी समझ सकता हूँ, हिंदी में मैं एक्सप्लेन भी करूँगा. So मुझे हिंदी का कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हिंदी, इंग्लिश, तेलुगु, थोड़ा थोड़ा मराठी भी चलता है. So here erogist lecture. If you, because anyhow I am going to complete this MCQ questions soon. Now I am coming to trigonometry also. After coordinate geometry, I am going to trigonometry. So you can learn there. Anyhow, I'll pack up. My time is already done. Wish you all the best. See you tomorrow. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Take care.